Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here on a road where we're repairing it with Wirtgen. Mark, you're one of the directors of the business here.
Yeah.
We see a very shiny piece of kit here that you've purchased along with a fleet of other equipment.
Yeah.
But tell me a little bit about your business. You started it up with your brother, didn't you?
Yeah, so my brother and I started the business back in 2007, bought one little planing machine and went from there really, and here we are with quite a big fleet of modern machines and a good group of lads working for the company.
Yeah. And what you were saying to me earlier is it was about relationships, is how your business has grown. You know, relationships with those customers at the start as well, wasn't it?
Yeah. We had contacts in the industry, and obviously my brother and I were both out on site. We were taking the bookings and doing the work and building those relationships, and it's worked well for us, and I think it still works well for us now.
Yeah, that's great. And I think what the other thing is, folks, is a relationship came about not that long ago, I guess, but quite a while ago with JCB Finance for you to build the business as well. That was crucial, wasn't it, at a crucial point?
Yeah. So back in 2018, we decided to purchase a JCB 3CX, and then on the back of that we were introduced to JCB Finance, which has been a really good asset to the company. We've used them quite a lot since then.
And what type of finance do you go through? You're talking about the flexibility of that finance, because that's been important as the business grows and things change, hasn't it?
Yeah. I mean, obviously, I presume JCB Finance offer all sorts of different facilities, and they put us a credit line in place, and we can use that at very short notice. We choose a term and a repayment plan that suits us. It's been very easy to use, and we've used it for all sorts of bits of kit: vans, trucks, pavers, planers, you name it. It's really worked well for us.
And I think what we always look at with everybody looking at new kit and things like that, but it's actually about how you evolve as a business, isn't it? When you've got things that you need to replace, or you're looking at getting a bigger machine this as well, isn't it? What actually fundamentally happens at those points to allow you to do that, and how does that finance work with the manufacturer that you've got here?
Yeah, well, so I mean, obviously Amy, who's our contact at JCB Finance, we can speak to her quite easily. The funding's already approved, so there's no hassle of telling a story about yourself or why you need to do something. The money's there. We can speak to our supplier of the machine, in this case it's Wirtgen, and they will raise an invoice, deal with Amy, and the money can be paid out, and we pick the machine up and away you go.
And you were saying earlier that's helped you to actually make very quick decisions, and also, you're getting good value from your supply chain as well in that context, aren't you? Because they know that you're somebody that has got that funding in place.
If there's something that we decide we need quickly, or an opportunity comes our way, we can get JCB Finance involved, and obviously our suppliers have heard of JCB Finance, and there's no hold-ups or anything like that. It's very straightforward and very easy.
So folks, finance really important in this industry. JCB Finance that you've been referencing there throughout. It's really important to understand a business like yours, isn't it? And with that JCB Finance team and Amy, who we're also going to be speaking to today, that actually is a one-on-one relationship as well, isn't it? But with a wider organisation.
Yeah. It's brilliant. It's obviously, whilst we've been using JCB Finance, Amy's been there. I always think that's a sign of a good firm when they aren't turning over staff, and we can speak to Amy. She'll help us with anything that we want to purchase, or also on the flip side, if we decide we want to move something on or swap and change, it's as easy to end the agreements. They do give you that flexibility, so yeah, it's worked really well for us.
And has the timing, folks, because we're just getting some top delivered for the actual road surface now. So the team have got to get back into action, haven't they, Mark? So that we can get this laid out. We've done the cutting, and basically now we're back to levelling off and getting this road back open for the local community. A great job done by your team in really a very short space of time, folks. But it's really important that you also work with your customers to understand the project that you're coming to, the surveying work that you've done beforehand, to know what you're coming in and the materials, so that that can all be smooth, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, obviously our line of work is generally sort of labour and plant hire, so we'll go on as a contractor for private customers and local authorities, but we will work with them to make sure it's the right gear that we're supplying, the right machines, and obviously the job gets done as well as it can.
And so we'll be opening up a road now, has some potholes here before. It's going to be nice and smooth later. And so it's another visit here from me, Peter Haddock, for Content with Media. Great to see Mark from Warplane. Cheers, folks.
Cheers.